BlackRock Underground doing a video inspection of a new service line at unit E6, entering through a 4-inch cleanout just west of the unit. I'm going to scope up towards the unit to verify that all cast iron concrete pipe has been removed. And here we are coming into the unit. I will pull back. Here we are at the unit 11 feet from the cleanout. I'll pull back and then scope towards the 6-inch line. Coming out of the cleanout, back in. And here we are at the new 6-inch line at just under 5 feet. This will conclude the video.